Okay, Joe. So I want to explain the paper app gesture to you. Okay. So basically, that paper app gesture, as you can see, the way Facebook did it is, they basically allow you that what you do is you take your finger and you flip up. So basically, you have a long rectangle, right? So this is actually the article. So once you flip up, you push up. This part over here, basically moves up like this and folds over halfway. Okay? It folds over halfway to this. Okay? And then the new listing, the top part is here and the bottom is here. So it loads. Okay? So basically you just flip up like this, that goes up, and the new page shows up over here, and you have the bottom part of the page here. So you basically have one full page then. Okay? We want to use the same flipping up motion, okay? But the problem is if you look at our mobile app, and this is exactly where we're going to use it, is over here. So right here, we have a whole bottom part and we have this top part. The paper app gesture that we're using is right here, okay? So if you look at the bottom part, it's all dark blue. See, when you flip open. And when you go up, there's no place for that top part to go, right? Because over here, in this one, it just flips up to the top, right? So basically, what I want to do is I want to do something different. So we have, if you look at our example, right? We have, let's say, the top part over here that I was showing you, and then we have the bottom part, which was all the information about. Like right over here, we have the newsfeed, browse, reviews, and my posts. So let's assume that that part is all over here, and this part, which wants a gesture, is this part right over here. So what we want to do is, when we flip open, we basically want the gesture to do this. Go like this, and come down. So if you look at this, we want to do this. This is where the flipping happens, and when we want it to flip up, it's going to go like this. Boom. Come down. So there's going to be a movement like this. That's how we want the movement to go. So it's not just going to be a simple flip up. It's going to be flipping, and the bottom part, the dark blue part that you have right now, comes down, and it actually starts loading the bottom part of the listing page. So actually, whatever we are, like if in this case, we are, for movies, for example, over here, it's loading. So over here, we're showing movies, right? So the bottom part over here should be this bottom part of the listing. That should be at the bottom. So I hope that makes it clear what we're trying to do is when the paper app gesture is basically going like this, and what we want to do is make it go like this. Okay? Thanks.